Today on DJT Reviews, we're going to review the Crown Skin Discovery Set Cologne for Men. I'm sure you guys have been seeing this on TV, your news feed, all on your socials, where this body butter and oil is made to attract. So if you're not subscribed, now's the time to make sure you subscribe, follow all the socials, so that way you guys get alerted on review videos that we drop and unboxing. So this will be a little bit of both. Review and unboxing. So as I said, Crown Skin, I wasn't sure at first. I know the founder is from my hometown in Chicago, and I seen this. I said, well, I'm not really sure which scent that I want. I've seen videos saying everything was good, so I said, you know what, in order to determine what you like, you have to order the discovery set just to see which one is for you. Everything is not for everybody, and that's why I'm doing this review video. Alright, so of course it's a flammable, so when you're ordering this, it will take a little longer. It won't be too fast, but depending on where you're getting it from, because I didn't see any stores where I could actually smell the scent, so I ordered Discovery Set. So like I said, it's a flammable, so it will take certain ground delivery for this, and once you get it, it comes wrapped up, and of course it was in some plastic and everything to make sure it didn't leak and anything like that. So you get this right here, it tells you right here how many ounces it is. And what I like about this first is that you can definitely take this on the plane because it's a small, like a travel set, which we'll get to in a minute. You look at the back right here, it's the lot and UPC and all this stuff. All right, so we open it up. As you can see right here, it says Crown Skin right here, let you know, with the 1.5 milliliters each. And then right down here, you see it gives you the King, Reign, Monarch, Prince, and Empire. So, all right, we'll go ahead and, like I said, balance that out, let you know what each one of them are first. So starting with King, it says the King is more warm and sensual. So we go ahead and take this one out. Comes in this, like I said, it says King, so that way you don't have it right here, you don't have it confused when you're trying to figure out which scent is what. King, right there. And then, like I said, I smelt it. A little dab, just a little bit. They come locked a little bit too, so when you first get it, you might have to give it a few pumps. Just a little bit right there. And then you smell it. So this one says it's more warm and sensual, and just my opinion is this was more like an office type thing, office vibe or something. You're going to work and you just kind of want to have that office, business vibe feel. All right, put this back. Next up, we have Reign right here. All right, so again, he's labeled right here. These are definitely travel safe for you. So if you, like I said, take on an airplane, it definitely will fit in travel, and it's not too much. You definitely don't want to get this confiscated. All right, so it said again, Reign. Reign is more of the fresh and nautical one. So this one is one of the ones that I liked a little bit the most as well. And then, like I said, I don't want to mix up too much, but you guys get it. This one is actually one of my top 3. Next up, we have the Monarch. I'll slide it out for you. Right here, as you can see, it came filled. It didn't really come like not half empty or nothing like that. So for this little 1.5 millimeter, you do get it. So Monarch is pretty much a spicy and bold. Again, depending on what you like. If you more like that spicy or bold a little bit, it's like musk type a little bit, then this one will probably be for you. Next up, all right, so we got Prince. So this one definitely smells good as well. As you can see, I'm trying to get it for right there, Prince. Right there, there's the little nozzle. Like I say, just one that sometimes they come locked. You give it here, go spray on this side just a little bit. Right there. And like I said, they do have the body butter and the oil. So the purpose, like I said, for this is to me to see what I like first. Then I will go ahead and buy the body butter and the body oil, which means the scent will last longer once you rub it in. So I'll definitely put some links in the description to help you guys out right there if you're interested in this one. But this one definitely smells good. And like I said, Prince has more smoky santal, but I would say this one, just you'll be surprised the way this one kind of smells. And it's hard to compare it to anything else on the market. I'm sure there's some stuff that's kind of like it, but it is definitely different, and that's what I like about it. And it definitely attracts some people. Like what do you got on? Smell good. But that's something you wouldn't believe me if I told you that, because they don't know what it is yet, because it's just fairly new to the market. So Prince is definitely like a top one on my list, and I give you my top three, and then finally we have this Empire. Okay, so we have Empire. So this one is like like I said, a smoky citrus musk, according to the dialogue. So I'll definitely put that on the screen for you guys, just so you guys can see how all of them pretty much smell like, just as a reminder. So, but like I said, for this one, depending on what you like, I'm not a big musk guy, but I will say this one is like definitely one that, it's something different. So if you're just going out, whatever, you just want to throw something on for casual errand day or something, then you can definitely do this, depending on what you like. If you're a person at the club and you feel like musk is your big thing, or outdoors person, then you would definitely like this one. Like I said, they do have body butter and body oils. So in conclusion, so I would say what's one of my top favorites. First, I would definitely say mine first, because I'm in corporate America as well. So I would say King, Prince, and Reign for me. Not saying the other one isn't good as well, but that's just for me. That's why I said, but I want to let you guys, definitely smells different. You walk past somebody, it's a little bit different than your big box brands that we're normally used to. We have Dior and all this other stuff, but this one is something different, and it's going to be pops-ups and everything, because people are starting to catch on to it. So if you guys are interested in Crown Skin, I'm not affiliated with them. This is just my personal opinion of what I thought by buying something, by seeing it just like you guys are seeing it. So guys, if you're trying to definitely have something different, have your wife think you smell better, or your girlfriend or whatever, I would definitely recommend this for anybody who's trying to just smell good, be on top of their game, especially with the cologne, and smell good. So definitely appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you tried this and what you think, and see if it's worth it. So once I get the body butters for my favorites, I'll do a follow-up video to let you know how those work. But I just wanted to let you guys know, because they always talk about the body butter, but I don't see too many discovery videos here. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.